The incredible world of plant adaptation. Have you ever wondered how plants can survive in so many different places? From scorching deserts to lush rainforests. Their secrets lie in their amazing adaptations. Adaptations are special traits that help them thrive in their specific environment. Just like animals, plants inherit characteristics from their parents. These inherited traits are often the key to a plant's survival. A plant in the desert really needs to be good at saving water, while a plant in the rainforest needs to be skilled at soaking up sunlight. Let's take a look at the desert to find some examples. Desert plants. We know that the desert is a dry, sunny environment where water is scarce. That's why desert plants have some very clever tricks. Those look like leaves, right? But they aren't regular leaves. They're special flat pads that help the cactus save water. They're shaped just right to hold onto water and stop it from escaping. That special shape helps the cactus stay cool and survive in hot, dry places. Now, see those needles on the cactus? They help protect them from thirsty animals. Succulents and cacti have thick, fleshy stems. Their root system is thick and extensive, so they can soak up every last drop of rain. What's incredible is that some desert plants can go years without rain. They store water in their thick stems or leaves, like a built-in water bottle. Pretty neat, right? However, the big challenge desert plants have for survival is that their seeds only germinate under perfect conditions. Now let's journey to the rainforest. Rainforest plants face a different set of challenges, because they grow in a wet, shady environment where sunlight is hard to come by. They must adapt in ways that help them soak up sunlight, even in the dim, shady parts of the forest. That's why many rainforest plants have large leaves. Notice the pointed tips? Those are called drip tips, and they help water run off quickly to prevent the growth of fungi. Some rainforest plants, called epiphytes, grow on other plants to reach sunlight. They absorb water and nutrients from the air and rainfall. Next, we're heading to the mountains. Built for heights. Mountain plants generally have small leaves to reduce water loss and thick bark to protect against the cold. Being up so high, they can face the coldest and most windy of conditions. Mountain plants often grow low to the ground at higher elevations to avoid strong winds. Their strong roots help them hold on tight, even in cracks and thin soil. They protect the mountain by keeping the soil from washing away and help stop landslides. To reproduce, mountain plants must bloom and produce seeds quickly before cold weather returns. Now it's time to get wet. A unique environment where plants need swimming skills is aquatic life. These underwater plants have stems and leaves that adapt to move with the current. Some plants have little empty pockets, like tiny bubbles, inside their stems. These air pockets make the plant lighter, so it can float on water. Floating on water gives the plant better access to sunlight, which is essential for photosynthesis. Let's take a look now at how plants reproduce. Pollination. It's a concept you probably already know about. In order for plants to reproduce, they must undergo the process of pollination. In windy places, plants use the breeze to help them reproduce, instead of relying on insects or animals. This can happen when plants release tiny, dry pollen into the air that the wind carries from one flower to another. When plants have open flowers and exposed stamens, their feathery parts act like tiny nets, catching pollen that's carried by the wind. This helps them reproduce without needing insects or animals. In rainforests, where there isn't much wind, plants use bright colors and sweet smells to invite insects like bees and butterflies to help move their pollen. Plants that follow the light. Plants can change how they grow to match their surroundings. This is called tropism. For example, stems grow towards sunlight, and roots grow down into the soil to find water. It's like plants knowing where to go to stay healthy. From the desert to the rainforest, the mountains and underwater, plants have evolved incredible adaptations to survive in their unique environments, and you have just learned about many of them. By understanding that even plants have inherited traits, we can appreciate the amazing diversity and resilience of the plant kingdom. Think about it. What's your favorite plant adaptation, and where does that plant live?
Visit us at www.ugo.world. Download the activity sheet for this lesson in the description link. And don't forget to subscribe for more great videos and lessons. See you soon!